How can police officer worn body cam footage assist an injured victim for their motor vehicle accident and personal injury claim? Usually when persons think about the use for police officer worn body cam footage, they're usually thinking about a crime, police misconduct, or something of that nature. However, body cam footage can certainly help an injured victim win their motor vehicle accident personal injury claim by nature of various things. On more than one occasion, during the representation of my clients for their serious injury motor vehicle accident claims, my office has obtained body-worn footage, and what it shows is usually the investigating police officer talking with the at-fault driver and eyewitnesses at the scene of the accident. On more than one occasion, the body-worn camera footage has shown the at-fault driver admitting the fault for the motor vehicle accident. You can imagine how much that would help the injured victim and how that would persuade the at-fault driver's insurance company to fairly resolve somebody's claim. Again, experienced personal injury lawyers will know what they need to do, subpoena or otherwise, and they will know how to obtain the police-worn body cam footage if it's necessary for the injured victim's claim. If you have any questions regarding how an injured victim can bring a serious injury motor vehicle accident personal injury claim in the state of Maryland, feel free to call me. I do this every single day and would love to answer any questions you may have. Thank you.
667 Law John, 667 Law John, 667 Law John, 667 Law.